Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today on James's DIY project channel, I'm going to do a quick fix on my double car garage door. If you can see right here, you will see there, you can see right through my garage doors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply PL 300, I think it is, to seal it up to help trap the heat produced by my wood stove. Keep tuned and watch this as I show you a close-up of the space. Like I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that space right in between the two metal garage doors I have, and it goes all the way down to the bottom. So I've already went and I've given these a quick brush off and a quick clean right down the middle, not off onto the sides. I will get to that hopefully before I seal this. But yeah, I'm just going to go grab my PL 300. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I just applied PL 400 to half of my door. Unfortunately, it's just a little cold outside. The heat inside my garage isn't making it that easy. But that right there will help me conserve my heat from going out through outside. Well, I want to finish this up and hopefully show you guys a picture. If not, have yourselves a great day and keep tuned and please subscribe to my channel.